Hello my friends, my name is Sanket Naik. Today I am going to teach you how to create an alarm in Java. I am using the Eclipse, but you can also use the Netbeans. So first of all you have to follow my steps, okay? So you have to right click on the package. You have to create a new class, that is alarm clock. Click on the finish button. Now it has nothing, so I will add the important function, that is public static void main. Public static void main string ar. Now we have to add another function. The function name will be public void check alarm. With the curly braces. Inside that, wait, first of all you have to call the class alarm clock ac is equals to new alarm clock with the semicolon, and then ac dot check alarm. Okay, here you have to type JOptionPane dot show message dialog null, comma, the message will be alarm works. Now I will check the output. Okay, so now time for the coding. So comment on the JOptionPane line. Now we have to call the class thread class. Thread t is equals to new thread, do the curly braces, and after that give the semicolon. After the semicolon you have to type t dot start you have to type inside the curly braces a public void run, give the curly braces here. First of all I will tell you that you have to send two numbers, I mean the two integer values. For first one will be for hours and the second one will be for minutes. So you have to send two numbers, right? So the time now, time is 5:33, so I will type 5:40 just for now. So you have to type two arguments here, int a comma int b. You have to add keywords final before int. Wait, final. Okay, so int inside the run you have to type int wl, means while loop, is equals to 0. After that you have to use the loop while wl is equals to 0. Then you have to type calendar c is equals to new calendar. Wait, we have to type Gregorian calendar. Gregorian calendar, give the semicolon. After that you have to type int hours is equals to c dot get calendar dot hour. I will copy paste it, I will not waste any time. Means minute. Okay, so you need if inside the if you have to type a is equals to hours ampersand b is equals to means. Then you have to break the loop, but before that, wait, I will break the loop, but before that you have to copy paste the alarm JOptionPane line, so that it will alert you. Then you have to set this thread as the at the minimum priority, because when you run it, then the whole PC will get lag because of the process usage. So I will type t dot set priority thread dot min priority. Okay, the value of the min priority is 1. So now the time is 5:36, so I will type 37 and I will run it quickly as soon as possible. Okay, so you have to wait for it, and sorry about my bad English. Okay. I will minimize it. Okay, so the message box came. So this is how it works. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and I hope you guys enjoy.